Hello everyone. In this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 12 and we are at 0.007%. So let's see what happened on day 12. So our expenditures, our investments are still at minus $61.6 and our AdSense revenue just reached $135.3. That makes our profits $73.7. Our investments are still only this microphone that I'm using right now, the HyperX SoloCast, and the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked one. So let's see what happened on day 12 in the YouTube Studio. So when I open up the YouTube Studio, our subscriber count is 1,702. And let's see the details around our revenue. So as I mentioned earlier, our revenue since we monetized our channel is $135.3, actually 0.37. Our RPM is getting higher and higher because right now it calculates our 28-day RPM based on the 28 days, but we weren't monetized for 28 days, so it shows like our RPM is 2.3, but actually since we are monetized, our RPM is around $5 every day. So I think that is gonna be our general RPM, at least for now. I'm hoping to increase that. So let's see what are our revenue sources. Most of the, like 99.9% of the revenue comes from YouTube advertisement, which is, I think, normal on all the different channels, and only 0.37 cents comes from YouTube Premium. Our ad types, the biggest one is obviously skippable video ads, which brings in 74%. Also 16.4% come from bumper ads and 5.5% from display ads, and 4.2% comes from non-skippable video ads, which have actually a high revenue rate, but YouTube doesn't really use them that much, so that's why it's so low. Our top geographies by CPM are Australia, United States, Netherlands, United Kingdom, and Canada. So let's see our top performing videos by revenue. Obviously, our best video based on revenue is the How to Use Revolut Junior. Still, it was on the top for the last couple of days, mainly because it gets most of the views. Like I think it's the, let me check, it's the 5th or 6th place based on revenue every single day, but it has a financial topic because Revolut is a financial app, so that's why it has a higher RPM. And also some of the most viewed videos on our channel are shorts, and yeah, we all know how profitable shorts are. Not really. So yeah, these are some of our most profitable videos. There are some interesting ones. For example, this new video, how to get crypto signals on FTX, which only has like a few views, but it already made almost $2, which is kind of crazy. $1.8 in one day, and it only has 7 views, which means that it has a crazy RPM. It has a $600 RPM, which is 624, which is like insane. But obviously this is not a real RPM. This is because probably it was a lucky view. It only showed one ad, and that one ad received a click or maybe a purchase. So probably that was why it had such a high RPM. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, Don't forget to subscribe. To learn more about my journey of making $1 million on YouTube, check out this playlist and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.